Okay, people, this is a short video about what our studio cloud looks like. First, I want to note that there are 4 areas called panes. Right here in the upper left corner, this is known as the source pane. On the bottom is called the console. On the top right is the environment pane, and on the bottom right is the files pane. Each pane has 2 parts. There's a part like right here going across the top, which I want to call the menu bar for that pane. Different things will change what you see in here. For example, if I click numerical cat in this pane here, it changes what's in the dance floor. This changes what's in the dance floor of that pane. Let's look at the environmental pane. Up here, there are 4 tabs up here in its menu bar. We're currently clicked on the Git tab, but I could go to the environmental tab, and there we see a different set of things that come out here in the dance floor. Let me get back to the Git tab. Down here in the files pane, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different areas that we can click up there in our selection. And for example, if I click on plots, we see some plots that were made earlier. So there are 4 panes. Again, source pane, console, environmental pane, files pane. And in each pane, there is an area that you see that responds to what you clicked in the tab above, in its kind of selection tab. And we'll be learning how to make sense out of this stuff. But again, what I want you to understand, if I should tell you in class to put your mouse in the environmental pane, you should go to the upper right one. If I tell you to put your mouse in the files pane, you should go to the bottom right one. And then if I tell you to click on the environmental tab in the environmental pane, you'd click on that one. Well, that's it for explaining what the panes in our Studio Cloud look like. There's 4 of them, and we'll, in our course, deal a lot more with these ideas.